to show you how to make a fire pit in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Just say something funny.
I got nothing.
Me
This is an outtake.
And we're in the car again.
Let the windows open.
We got all the windows open. Going to get some rocks. So we're trying to decide which stone we want. There's so many options. So this is a little pea stone. Be pretty subtle. Pretty easy to walk on. But I think we're going for the bigger stuff. Alright, so we're going to make a fire pit. We're starting by setting up the fire pit where we want it to be. So, where do we want it to be, Tom?
Well, I'm thinking it's a good place for the pit to be.
Yeah, for the trees and
Well, I'm just
worried about that tree and we're worried about that barn. So, they recommend 20 feet from the house. The barn is our house.
I haul that thing back there full of dirt.
Yeah.
What I think about is the poor Jewish people in the Nazi labor camps who had to haul crap like that and work that as hard as I'm working all day long, every day, without really any food.
Yeah. That's hard work. And they were doing big rocks and everything.
Oh yeah. I mean, to even survive would be...
It's really hard to be a laborer. You know, in the olden days, everyone was a laborer.
Yeah, people understood it.
But now, we all sit behind our computers and we pay people to do things.
Right. We don't understand what it takes to do tough jobs.
Right.
Yep, we don't. Yep, and then sometimes those who are laborers don't get the respect they deserve because those of us who are doing the
important jobs?
air quotes, important jobs.
Yeah.
You know?
That's one thing about doing a farm thing yourself, you realize how much work it is.
And also, the other thing too is to think about with people who work out in the fields picking the crops.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that too.
You know?
That's hard work and they're getting minimum wage.
Yep. And how many of us are going to go out there under the sun all day long for minimum wage, picking beans, picking strawberries, picking whatever?
Yeah.
You know, we're not
Yeah.
going to.
No, we're not.
We're aspiring for jobs that pay us 6 figures, and we can sit in an air-conditioned building.
Yep.
That's
So
what our
now I
aspirations
want to sit on a yacht.